Okay, hello again. Uh, in this video, we're going to learn how to boot our own operating system in milkv-duo. Uh, I'm going to follow this post, which is from KKKKKK, where he translated this post from Jude Ha. Originally, it's a post in Chinese, and then he translated it. So we're going to follow the steps that they provided for us. First, if you haven't compiled your SDK before, you need to do this. So we're going to copy this, and then we're going to open our terminal in our build in our SDK. So we're going to paste it here. We're going to see that there will be some errors here, but they don't matter. Okay, following, then we have to write a program. This is our program of our operating system. This is a simple one in assembly, where it will print a message to the UART 0 in this case. So let's copy this code, and then we're going to create a start.s file. So that's start.s. Let's open it. And then we're going to paste our code here. Okay, and then we can save it, and then we can compile our code. To compile, we can use this. So let us see what happens. As I saved with small s, so let's do this. And then I have these errors, two errors, saying that they are illegal operands. The problem here is that the define that we used, here we can see that we have define. So we're going to use assembly directive, so we can delete this, and then we can use dot equal, and also dot equal, and after here you watch chr, we can place a comma, and also here a comma. So let's see what happens when we try to compile. It compiles with no problem. Then we have a pl33.elf. We have to convert this file to a binary file. So we're going to copy this line. We're going to paste it here. So now we have two files. We have a elf.elf and a .bin file. Now we have to generate a fib.bin file. So here, first we go to the fspl directory. So change to fspl, and then we're going to copy this. So let us see here. But we have here to provide the path to our .bin file. So I'm gonna put here /. Let's see what happens. What happens to me here is that I have a permission error. So we're going to compile. We're going to run this with a sudo. So let us do this here. And then we have now a fib.bin file. Where is it? It's in our fsbl file, build cv, and we're going to see that this file was just generated. It's here, just modified. So this is our file. We can put it in our microSD file. I'm going to do this now. So I'm going to copy this file. I'm gonna paste it here. We can delete your boots.sd file if you have it here. You're not gonna need it. And then eject. And then you can insert it in your milkv-duo. So I have here the milkv-duo. I'm gonna insert it here. And then we can open the terminal. So they say here to use the baud rate 128,000, but at least for me it didn't work. So you have to use 115,200. So we're going to use the screen command. It's going to be dev G2Y USB 0 and then the correct baud rate. So we're going to connect it now. And then we can see here our message. Hello milkv-duo. So that's it guys. I hope you liked it. And the credits go to the original authors also, because they had all the trouble for doing this. It's Jude and 5K for translating this. So thank you, until the next video.